Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. So first let's check the box here. This is the USB Type-C cable. Also we got here the charger, the original Xiaomi charger with all of the specifications. And let's check this paper box. Let's open it. So here we can see the SIM eject tool and some paper works like the quick start guide, the warranty card and the safety guide. And here we got also the silicone protective case in clear color. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs up and to subscribe.